And I drove with my foot. I was like, bitch, you ain't getting the last of my shit. I will inhale it before you get it. Roger that, motherfucker.
Retarded. And it ain't nothing but the truth.
Ain't nothing but the truth. It's all true. Does my hair look good?
No, it did before you cut it.
This is black people that told me in Walmart,
Oh, God.
okay, to put the hair fucking straightener in. And my split personality, who was black, got hungry and went to Kentucky Fried Chicken and didn't write down the directions how long to leave the hair straightener in. So my Italian ass didn't know, and my hair fell out.
You went to KFC? What that shit?
No, my black personality. What's wrong with you, Holly? Did you not hear I got split fucking personalities?
The other personality left.
See, I phase out. It's like I told my boss, I said, are you insulting me?
She's been drinking, Veronica.
I'm not fucking drinking. This is all natural.